our channel. Today we are going to see review of Dabur Vatika Shampoo. But before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit like button. So without wasting any time, let's start. This is the sachet of Dabur Vatika Shampoo. They have given the name of the product, that is Dabur Vatika Long and Black Shampoo. So you will able to see how long it is. The cost of this product is ₹1 and they claim that 60% extra. They have given image of amla, shikakai, then olives, almonds, henna. And this shampoo is for shiny, smooth hair. Now let's see what they have given on the rear side of the packaging. Here they have given the same information about the product, that is Dabur Vatika Long and Black Shampoo Sat Potion. The chosen 7 natural ingredient for shiny, smooth hair. New Dabur Vatika Long and Black Shampoo with goodness of Sat Potion, amla, brindaraj, shikakai, rita, black olive, almonds and henna. The shampoo with 7 natural ingredients helps to maintain shiny, smooth hair, promoting gentle cleansing, conditioning and nourishment. Directions for use: apply evenly on wet hair and skin. Massage into rich lather, rinse thoroughly to remove. For best result, use thrice a week. If you are planning to purchase this shampoo, then I recommend you to go to our channel first and then watch video which is based on Dabur Vatika hair oil. Here they have given manufacturer's address and marketer's address. If you have any queries and all, you can give a call on this toll-free number, and even they have mentioned their email ID. The net volume of this product is 6.5 ml, 4 ml plus 2.5 ml extra. MRP of this product is ₹1, which I already told you before, and you have to use 18 months from the date of manufacturing. Here you will able to see logo of Dabur company. This logo you will able to find on each and every product of Dabur. How to use this shampoo? They have given that you have to apply it on your hair, but I recommend you first you oil your hair with Dabur Vatika hair oil at least for 2 hours, or maybe you can keep it for overnight and next day you can use this shampoo. If you are planning to use this shampoo, then I recommend you to dilute this with water and then apply it on your skin and then rinse it off with the normal water. Note that you have to rinse your hair with normal water only. If you are using hot water, then you are damaging your hair and it is going to make your hair thin. If you have thin hair, can you use this shampoo? Yes, you can use this shampoo, but don't expect that this shampoo is going to thicken your hair. You have to take proper diet and then oil your hair at least twice in a week, and then you have to use this shampoo. Then only it is going to help you a lot. But if you are expecting that once you will start using this shampoo and this is going to do miracle to your hair, then I'm really sorry. Don't expect that miracle is going to happen, and you have to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day. What is going to happen once you use this shampoo? This shampoo is going to make your hair shiny and smooth. If you want shiny hair, then use this shampoo. One more question is, if I have grey hair, does this shampoo is going to change the color of your hair? Then answer is no. not going to change the color of your hair. For that, if you have white hair, then you have to take proper diet. If you want to know which diet you have to take, then just comment down below. Or if you have any queries about this product, then also you can comment. That's all for today.